you?
How you doing?
Good.
Yeah.
Got some Swiss chards. It's all the rows of peppers. Yep, got some dill. I don't like how you kicking that leg up. So I'm here at Bonton Farms. My husband's being a chicken over there. While I'm in here with the goats. Thank y'all for my goat's milk. I'm not the animal whisperer, so don't come for me, okay? I ain't gonna bother y'all. I'm gonna let y'all be. One got the chickens over there. Guess he cooling out, huh? Laying up in the tub. So we got the chickens back here. This is so cute. I've been trying to find a goat's milk supplier since I moved out here in Texas, and I just found one. When I didn't want to get it from a grocery store, I wanted to get it from an actual farmer. So now I found a farm that's supporting the neighborhood, you know? So yeah, a lot of people from the neighborhood actually work the farm, work the restaurants, work the shops, work the gardens. So yeah, look at the little chickens. This is too cute.
Like I was like, oh my god, it's bugs on the farm.
Cute. If you're in downtown Dallas, come and check out Bonton Farms. They're open, I think, Monday through Friday. Forget their hours. I'll list their hours, but it's so cute. They actually have like a farm. They have a restaurant, so everything's farm to table, and they have animals. So we're gonna go check out the animals. I just found my new supply of goat's milk. I'm so excited.